never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hello and prayers, my people. Welcome back to the channel. Don't that me say. So you know, the other day I put up a little thing on a little one reason. So I put up a stew piece cooked with smoked turkey neck. Yeah, these are put up something every day. Gonna make you say go on good.
Yes, so guys, I put it on Instagram. I made some stew peas with smoked turkey neck. Put it on Instagram, and yeah, everybody loved it. So
we're gonna know. Let's start from scratch and again.
This time Outlaw's making it, not me.
People, she have to get involved. You know that's something like that. Yeah, anything at all we come on to, the complication in her, she have to get involved. Else we're not doing it. So we think. So we start from the peas, you know, people soak the peas on last night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like when with you.
They soaked from last night, so they were boiling. They were boiling no time.
Yeah. I think they soak like clothes right now. And right now, after that, now we are gonna put on that. Now we are going to put this thing together. You know if we clean something, I took out everything I want to tight and all them something and something else the pan to come out. So we are gonna do that. And all these things. So we take our time and do what we have to do.
So you got
clean up your thing.
Clean up the turkey neck.
Yes.
How much pound of turkey neck is this?
£1.
£1. Yeah. How much was this?
$600.
$600.
Yeah, to shop somewhere else, you know. You get it on a better price.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's the same thing. No job. Yeah, my people, that's what we think. So we start from here now. So you know we are carrying along the way. So we make the same thing what we are doing and the world works. We don't know what thing going on. Round the way as we go. And I'm prayer. Step 1. Put on the peas. You know what thing go? And I'm prayers. Step 2. Zoom forward. Yeah, my people, that's something I always said. It's step 2. Clean up the thing. Get off all these things off it. Then something I change the flavor. And I need that. So then right around. Make sure we take them off in the car when they're on that with them.
Just cleaning up the turkey neck. Getting off all that fat and all that skin off it. Yeah.
I think they change the flavor, you know. Step 3. Clean up my thing with people. Clean it up nicely. Very clean and nice. The whole thing up. You have to do that something here. You know what thing go. Have to clean this thing up.
You clean it and wash it.
And all these things. So 4 step.
4 step.
Yeah,
Step
the 4th step. The 4th step, my people. Look what I'm going to say there. I said, you will sort the piece from them time there. The piece gets soft to a max, to a minimum or a maximum. So this can go with it, you know.
Actually, you know, so you could just boil everything from start together. You know, the peas and the turkey neck could have gone in one.
Yes.
But we just gave the peas a little head start.
Yes, because nothing wrong with that still, because I think the two of them will cook one time because the peas are like that, you know, right now.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's the turkey neck in there. So we're gonna leave that to boil up.
Yeah, my people, so you know we put that together. So we give that little time, and next half hour or so, we balance back again and let the water go on. You understand? It's so forward now. Yeah, my people. You are step by step, you know. Watch me now. Another step. Check the pot.
How long has it been on for so far?
About 20-30 minutes.
About 30 minutes, yeah.
Please don't come good there. Everything good on the side there. Yes, we have to check the pot. Hey! Look at that. So now we think up here, bro. Another step coming up, so we're carrying along the way. That's how we stay. Yeah, my people, back to the thing. Down, another step. Another region, man. So you know where I go for now. That's something my name. Tell me where I go for. Just tell me where I do now. That's my balance to me. You know where I go for, you know. Something my name, spinach. If this day night, it's not stew peas.
Spinach?
Yeah, if that's not in there, it's not stew peas. I'm not stew peas, that. That's something, yeah. That's something my peas. If this not in there, it's not good. Yeah, my peas, so like the peas like it up here now and all these things. And ready.
So it's soft.
Yeah, peas up, soft.
And the meat?
Yeah. It's good, you know. Real texture than anything right now. You know what? To the pot ready for something now. Pot ready for something right now. Pot ready for that thing with peas. Pot ready for that. So I rock over them right away. Yeah, my peas, they're small. Little bit. So them something named spinners. So you have them spinning. Some tall, some short.
I don't like them big, I like them small.
Yeah.
That's my,
Right.
yes.
But
They're the small ones. I'm not even.
But spinners not supposed to be big still.
Yeah.
Spinners supposed to be small.
That's it.
Little something. So I drop a few, you know. So the one these are start taste the pot already, my people. I tell you how the girl stay now.
What did you say?
To start taste the pot already, my people. See, my babes. Yeah. Reach now waiting about to start taste it. I tell you that. Good like that.
He always says that when I'm cooking, I eat out whilst I'm cooking. But I have to, because I like to taste as I go along. He doesn't taste when he cooks. He just cooks. But when I cook, I have to taste as I go to make sure. Does it need little of this or is it alright? You know what I mean?
You understand that. You understand
So by the time I taste. By the time it's time to eat, I'm not hungry because I've done, yeah.
Yeah, my babes. Spinners, you know. Remember the old time song, the Spinners guys?
Spinners what?
Spinners Choice.
Oh, is that a sound?
Yeah man, Clarendon song, your father know it, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah man, your father know that song. Spinners Choice. So rather spinners in the pot right away. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, my babe, so that's something we are talking about. So we'll get a start and everything go. Spinners are all about around the place. That's something my people. We are doing it man. Yeah, my people, so you know what thing go. We left from that spot, you know. I went to that spot if you can't do. So I have a few more things to put in the pot. Coconut.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk, a little bit of spice. Yeah, all breakfast. Yeah. Yeah, alright man. Look at that. You know really look at that black pepper nights. Nothing wrong with that. Flavor is good. But your natural spice now. Some scallion. Thyme. That make everything fine. That's something there. Gnarly for pepper. That's something there. Garlic. Antibiotic. Now these are the for pimento grains are not at all, you know. So she have to bring me that something here. Pimento grain. Stop going up here. Onion. Yeah man, that's spice. Naturally. Manners and prayers. Yeah, my babes. Next step. What you are going around?
Coconut milk.
You're going to store my peas. Yeah, you store that's something there. Coconut thing, coconut milk, that's simmer around that thing there. Yeah, next step. Well, see my peas.
So you got onion, thyme, scallion, garlic, allspice.
Yeah. Something there. That's something in my beans. fat piece of flavor. I'm gonna eat my story now. And my peeps, the spice and everything.
Black pepper.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the spice.
All purpose. Could give a little more though.
Yeah, we did have your purpose, see? Yeah, so we do that now, we get that something there. We got something there, my babes. Yeah, my people. So you see the step over there now. So we gotta get that little time. Time is the master. So we gotta get the good time, we just do it up and do, and then we get back to another point. Another step. Jesus web.
Let's have a look at the pot. It's bubbling there, guys. People, if you could smell the pot, if you could smell it, it smells so good. There it is. Bubbling away. It's not ready yet.
That's a supervisor.
But it's getting there. Huh?
She's a supervisor, please.
Supervisor.
Yeah, she oversees things. She keeps us going the right track. Yeah.
It's coming along, it's coming along.
Blessings my people again. So we are going to the finishing product of the thing we are talking about. So snap at it now. Yeah, my people, that's everything there. Look at that. Beautiful till it fill. I mean beautiful. What you say, man?
So, you know stew peas, you have to have stew peas with white rice, right?
Right there.
So, stew peas with smoked turkey neck and white rice courtesy of Mr. Outlaw. With a little assistance from Lisa.
You know that's something to go. Yeah, we have to sing around there. Yeah. So I think that I ate that a bit. That's everything there.
Look nice. Ready.
You know that's something to go in. So this is datmisehtv. So we ask you, do not to leave with. So at the end of the thing right now, we ask you to remember say, like and share and subscribe and then something because you know I left nothing nothing, you know. So it's all about. You know everything go. I keep it real. So these are when you say you go down.
Yeah.
When I was on prayer. So I don't know that about people that we are in the street walk one and making the swords walk one and put one and two things together. Yeah, that's what I said. So now these are just gonna eat, you know. And hold back a vibe and you know what thing go. Around the way I swing go.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.